Hi, and thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. My name's Jason. Let's take a look at our 2017 Nissan Micra SV. This vehicle features great options like remote keyless entry, air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth, and a whole lot more. Starting with the exterior of the vehicle right here, the Micra's got great styling, perfect little city runabout vehicle. You see you're going to have halogen high beams and low beams, and then a nice little air filter in the front, or air louver in the front, sorry. You're going to be sitting on a set of nice 15-inch steel wheels with hubcaps, so you got discs in the front and drums in the rear for your braking. Nice body colored accents help complement the exterior look to this vehicle right here. As we get a little closer, opening up that rear hatch, you're going to notice ample amounts of truck space and a 60/40 split folding rear seat with a center seat belt that's easily removable in order to be able to make it easy for you to be able to put in whatever you need to in this tiny little city runabout car. Giving you a nice quick side profile shot there. This little Micra looks fantastic. You can see the fuel filler is on the driver's side of the vehicle. So we open up the door now, you can see all of your window buttons right there, including an automatic down button there for your driver's window, your lockout buttons. Mirror adjuster is right there, along with your traction control and your fuel and hood release. And then you get a nice 6-way adjustable manual driver's seat right there with beautiful sport cloth insets for both driver and passenger. Moving into the rear of the vehicle now, again, you'll see much of those same design accents there. And then, of course, rear passengers have those automatic windows, and you have lockouts there for child-proof locks as well. Then you can see great styling to that rear seat as well. Lastly, that's going to be what your dash area looks like. Sitting behind the steering wheel now on the left-hand side right here, you can see all the audio system controls, including your Bluetooth functions. Right-hand side has all your cruise control options. And then right there you can see you've got your gauge cluster system, and this vehicle only has 37,855 kilometers on it. Now, left sticks for lights, white sticks there for wipes, and you see you got a rear wiper and intermittent wipers as well too. And then you can see that's going to be what your entertainment system and climate control functions look like. Getting a little closer now, you can see you have buttons for AM, FM, CD, and an auxiliary input, so you're not left out in the lurch there just listening to the radio. Down below that, you've got your climate control functions right there, and 3 easy-to-use dials for temperature, fan, speed, and direction. A couple of cup holders just in front of your shifter right there, and you've got a nice 4-speed automatic transmission. It's going to be what your rear window looks like, and then just behind that, your Bluetooth microphone and your interior lighting control. That's been a quick tour of this 2017 Nissan Micra, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. Showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Fridays, 9 to 5 on Saturdays, and we're always available online at huntclubnissan.com. My name's Jason. Thanks for joining me here today, and we'll catch you in the showroom soon.